Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our update on our morning meeting on Monday, the 27th of January. A couple of the things that we've been touching on today. Firstly, we looked at this chart. It's the Citi Global Economic Surprise Index, and what you can see here, building on what we touched on last week about the economic data continuing to show improvement, you can see here that the Citi Surprise Index is at its highest level since April of last year, so reflecting the positive economic news that we touched on last week. Other things that we talked about and discussed this morning was the impact in commodity markets from the virus in China. We've started to see the oil price weaken over the past couple of days. The oil price now, Brent crude back below $60 a barrel, falling sort of 14% from where it was at the start of the year. Finally, we focused on the economic data that will come out over this coming week. Interesting data coming from the Eurozone. We also have the Federal Reserve in the US with their interest rate decision. No change expected there. What is interesting is what will be in the statement and the press conference following that. In the UK on Thursday, we have the MPC meeting. We discussed last week the challenges that they're facing with the economic data. It'll be interesting to observe what decision is taken there, whether to hold rates steady or to cut. And it's also worth noting that it will be current Governor Mark Carney's last MPC meeting before he hands over the reins to Andrew Bailey. The other thing before finishing today, we have a large number of US companies reporting earnings this week, so that'll give us a good insight into what has happened in the fourth quarter for those businesses, but more importantly, what they guide for the outlook for 2020, and we'll update more on that as we go through the week. Look forward to speaking to you all again tomorrow. Thanks very much.